Okay, so on this one, they're wanting us to write the equation of each line. Be sure to use the correct variable in each equation. So notice what we have here is a horizontal line, and then on the next one, a vertical line. So how do we do that? Well, the main thing is to remember that this is the y-axis and this is the x-axis. You know, the vertical axis is the y and the horizontal axis is the x. The x. Okay. So, and same thing here, right? This is the y-axis. This is the x-axis. So, okay. So look at my line. Look at this first one here. Where does the line? Which axis does the line hit? It hits the y-axis. So this equation is y. Here, let me write it. It's y equals -1. Done for that one. Does that make sense? Because that line goes straight through the y-axis, right? It goes through this vertical y-axis at -1. So it's y equals -1. So whenever you have a horizontal or vertical line, anytime you have a horizontal or vertical line going straight through it, the equation only has x or y, not both. Does that make sense? Whenever you have a line, horizontal or vertical, going straight through, you're just going to have x or y. Like this one only has y. Okay, and now the next one, this one right here, this line right there goes through what? Goes through the x-axis, doesn't it? At -6. So guess what his equation is? X equals -6 only, because it only goes through the x-axis. It never touches the y-axis. It only goes through the x-axis. At -6, it never touches the y-axis, whereas the first one only goes through the y-axis and never touches the x-axis. Y is -1. And so there we go.